Jabra Elite 65T Alexa-enabled true wireless earbuds charging case, titanium black. Enjoy superior sound and voice quality with these Jabra Elite wireless headphones. Integrated controls let you answer calls, adjust the volume or pause music with the touch of a button, while the included carrying case doubles as a charging station. External ambient noise keeps you aware of your surroundings, while a background noise filter delivers crisp, clear voice calls. With Bluetooth connectivity, these Jabra Elite wireless headphones are easy to pair to a mobile device. Microphone sensitivity, -38 dB VPOV. Conversations are made incredibly clear with true wireless earbuds that feature 4 microphone technology and deliver superior call performance. Listen to your music the way you want to hear it by personalizing your sound with a customizable equalizer. Jabra Elite 65T are third-generation true wireless earbuds, and Jabra has a proven track record of excellent true wireless connectivity. Experience the stability that lets you take calls and listen to music without worrying about audio dropouts. Up to 5 hours of battery, and with additional power from the included pocket-friendly charging case, you can enjoy up to 15 hours of use, making sure your listening needs are met all day long. IP55 rated and comes with a 2-year warranty against damage from water and dust. Registration required with the Jabra Sound Plus app. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.